Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Wagwan. I want to show you guys this hair tutorial today. It's a really nice crochet braid type video with a nice afro and Fulani inspired braids in the front. Very simple, very easy to achieve, so keep on watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified for every single video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so I already have my braiding pattern going on. I have the Fulani inspired braids in the front, hence the two cornrows at the side, because I wanted those to be hanging down with beads. So the back is just cornrowed straight back. I'm gonna lay these flat by just crocheting it down. I started doing this technique when I saw Beauty Can Braid do it, and it really helps. It saves you the time of having to sew your hair down. I hardly ever sew my hair down anymore. All I do now is just crochet it down, and it works just as well, and it helps it to lay really flat. So I'm just gonna crochet it down so that it lays as flat as possible, and then I'm going to move on to starting my hair. So that's what it's looking like now with the back crochet down, and I still have my braids exposed in the front. So today we're going to be using the Kinky Crush 36-inch from Janet collection. This is pretty new, so I'm so excited. This is what the back of the packaging looks like. It's just slayed, like legit slayed. So I was super excited. This is how the hair looks fresh out the pack. It comes in 2 bundles basically, and it's just kinky hair, kinky coily type of texture. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cut the straight edge off so that we can begin our crochet braid tutorial. You can't use that straight part, so just cut it off, no big deal, and toss that. So I'm going to begin crocheting from the back, and you guys know I repeat this in every single crochet braid tutorial. You basically want to make sure that you're not putting all the hair at the back, because when you get to the top you're going to have like a lot of space that you need to cover up. So I'm just putting it in kind of spaced out so that I have enough, you know, space and room in the front so that I don't add too much hair. That's the key. You have to space the back out a little bit so that when you get to the middle and the top you can pack it on more. So the hair goes in pretty easily. It does have that natural texture. I'm telling you guys, like for some of the sections of hair that I put in where it's at a critical point, I do give it a little knot, but not for all of them. For most of them I just pull it through and that's it. So I'm just going to continue crocheting until I get to halfway. I'm going to show you guys. This is what it looks like after using half of the pack. Alright, it basically brings me halfway. So you do get value with this hair. I'm just going to go ahead and add the other half of the pack. And actually in the end I ended up using 1.5 packs, guys, but I will tell you guys all about that further on after I do the tutorial. So I'm just packing in the top because I want it to be really full. I wanted like a huge fro, but you can cut the hair in half if you don't want your fro to be like, you know, too long. You can cut it as many times and stretch it, feather it so that it looks nice and natural, and it will definitely not have blunt ends because of the texture of the hair. So I'm just packing it in because I wanted it to be really nice and full, and this is it when it's done. I do need to do a trim, so I'm just gonna go through and trim off all the stringy ends that's gonna cause it to look uneven, and it's pretty simple. So that's all I'm doing, just trimming off these like stringy ends. Alright, now that our fro is looking magnificent and fleeky and all them things there, we're gonna go ahead and add our beads. Now I'm gonna add the beads to the sides. I did go ahead to the hair store and like buy a couple of these beads, so I'm just gonna add them. And guys, I found this really cool trick. I might be late with the hairpin to guide the beads through. Makes your life so much easier, sis, like so much easier. Like you don't have to stress about it now. If you don't have one of those little beading tools, like if you don't have one of those, you can go ahead and use a hairpin to just guide the beads through, and your shells and all that stuff. So I added a couple beads and a shell to the end to give it that nice, you know, tribal looking vibe. Loved it. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side, but I wanted to show you guys that you can also do it with a crochet needle, so that also makes life easier as well. Alright, so now I'm just adding some of those little lock accessories to the middle cornrow that's going all the way back. And you guys can have like literally any braiding pattern up top, anything you want. If you want your corners to go all the way back, if you want them to the side, and then you do like a side puff or a side fro, whatever you guys want. The versatility with this is amazing because it looks very natural. Now I'm using my Morphange Ashan Ultra Hair Wax on my edges. I'm just using that to give me a little bit of baby hair action, because if you don't have baby hairs for this style, it just kind of looks incomplete. Alright, but that's basically it, guys. Just slaying some baby hairs. After doing your edges, you're ready to slay and give them soul sister realness. So please stay tuned for all the details on the hair and to hear exactly what I thought about the hair. Natural beauties. Okay, so today I am reviewing for you guys another hair. As you guys can see, this hair today is from Janet Collection and it's recently launched. If it is already launched, it should be launched by now, of course, or at least launched locally. It's the Expression 3X Kinky Crush Bulk, and this is 36-inch. So it comes in a really big pack, and this is what it looks like. She sold it, right here. And this is what the back looks like. It's really cute pink package, and I love pink, so that's a kicker, like right there and then. So they contacted me asking if they could send me some of the hair for review, and I had to do a really cute tutorial for you guys. I've been seeing this like before with the whole Fulani and then Afro one, and it's really cute, so I said I wanted to do it like that, right? I actually ended up using 1.5 packs for the entire style. I guess if I did my whole head, I'd probably use 2.5 packs maybe, or probably just 2 packs, because this is half a pack. This is half. You get 2 of these in 1 pack, so that's crazy. And I have a big ass head, guys. so it does take hair like to do my head. But I basically used 1.5 packs to do this style, and if I guess you're going to be doing your whole head, you're going to be using like 2 packs. But yeah, guys, it was really simple. I love the texture of the hair. It feels a lot like Afro Kinky hair. So I really like this, and the color is True number 2. On the back of the package, they do show you like different techniques for braiding if you want to braid the hair, and different ways here how you can wear the style. And of course, if you want to shorter, you can cut it and all of that. But it does have the natural texture shrinkage that natural hair always has. It does shrink up, so you can definitely pull it to stretch it out as far as you can. But I love it because it mimics like a real afro, like it really does. I love it. So yeah, this is once again the Janet Collection Expression 3X Kinky Crush Bulk 36-inch. Alright, and I'm wearing color number 2. All the info for the hair will be down below in the description bar, so I hope you guys check it out down there, as well as the links to Janet Collection and everything like that down below in the description. Drop me a comment down below and tell me what you guys think of my hair. I'm probably going to be rocking it for at least 2 weeks. I'm going to wait that long. At least 2 weeks. Follow my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of that good stuff. Please follow me. Down below will be all the names for everything on that. And before you guys go, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you guys have not hit the subscribe button as yet. Hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.